Evening, ma'am. Evening, ma'am. Evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, girls.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, 37 girls have joined so far. Let them join. Till then, we'll discuss about the first midterm examination. You're going to have the first midterm examination in the third week of July. Only 2 weeks are there in between. So I'll send the portion and blueprint for first midterm test very soon. You will be getting it. So start preparing yourself for the examination. And one more thing I wanted to tell that if it comes to public examination, if the situation remains the same, if the pandemic situation அப்படியே இருந்துச்சுன்னா definitely they will be considering all these tests only, test marks only. Based on this test marks, we may have to give you marks, okay? Or else based on your homework attendance or online class attendance, considering all these things, the government may ask us to give marks. So that I'm telling, don't fail to write your examination or whatever exam is conducted from school side, okay? So don't fail to write it, and also try to perform it well, okay? So try to score marks, because when it comes to public examination and when it comes to marks அப்படின்னு வரும்போது we may have to consider all these things and give you marks. So last moment you can't come and tell that ma'am எனக்கு கம்மியா போட்டிருக்கீங்க அப்படிலாம் கேட்க முடியாது நீங்க. That's why I'm telling. So try to perform all the tests properly, okay? Try to score good marks. என்ன சிம்பிள் டெஸ்ட் வச்சாலும் அந்த டெஸ்ட்டை இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்து படிச்சு நல்ல மார்க்ஸ் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. 1 minute. நல்ல மார்க்ஸ் எடுக்க ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மார்க்ஸ் எல்லாமே யாருக்கு தெரியும், எப்படி வேணா மாறலாம், ஓகே? இந்த யூனிட் டெஸ்ட் மார்க் கூட உங்களுக்கு பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாம்ல போடுறதுக்கான சான்சஸ் வரலாம். அப்படி இல்ல எக்ஸாம் வச்சு கண்டக்ட் பண்ணி கூட போடலாம். எப்படி வேணா மாறலாம். ஸோ வாட் எவர் டெஸ்ட் இஸ் கண்டக்டட், பெர்ஃபார்ம் இட் வெல், okay? Try to score good marks in that. That's what I wanted to tell. So first midterm test you're going to have in the third week of July. So and one more thing for this test, so far uh, uh, unit 1, unit 2 test, you were having only one unit, I think, from all the subjects, or unit minimum of portions தான் கொடுத்திருந்திருப்பாங்க. But this time you're going to have not for 25 marks, it will be around for 35 or 50 marks, okay? So you will be having all together whatever portions completed in all 5 subjects, they'll be giving questions from that. So you have to prepare yourself from the portions taught till now, till today's date, okay? So இது வரைக்கும் என்னென்ன நடத்திருக்காங்களோ அந்த போர்ஷன்ல இருந்து you should prepare all the questions and learn, okay? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
I told you that you are going to have the examination. It is in your hand that you should prepare, okay? Here in the meeting itself I told you question எக்ஸாம் வருதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். இது வரைக்கும் நடத்தின போர்ஷன்ல இருந்து தான் கேட்பாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். ஸோ ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் பண்ண வேண்டியது உங்களோட வேலை. I'll be sending the portion, pattern, timetable, everything tomorrow. By tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you'll be getting it, okay? Very soon. Okay. Now let's come to the lesson. Okay, last class itself I told you that you have to watch the video and come without fail. And I don't know how sure you are all, how sure I am whether you watched it or not. Okay, so before asking that, I want to recollect the content which was taught in last online class. So I want any one of you to narrate the story. So far, what happened in the story so far? I want you to narrate it in few lines. It's like a story only, no? So you can tell. Who's ready to say?
I'm ready to say now.
What's your name, ma?
Kavya Prabhakaran.
Yes? I can't hear you. Sorry. Kavya Prabhakaran. Okay. Kavya, let me ask the girls to turn their video on first, please. Girls, turn your video on, girls. I always tell you that don't, especially in my class, I don't want any girls to turn it off and sit simply. Turn your video on. It should be turned. அது ஆஃப் பண்ணவே கூடாது. ஆன்ல மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும். வெரி குட். கிருத்திகா, இர்ஃபானா இவங்க எல்லாம் யூனிஃபார்ம் போட்டு உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. வெரி ஹாப்பி தட் யூ ஆர் வேரிங் யூனிஃபார்ம் அண்ட் சிட்டிங். தென் ஒய் ஆர் யூ டர்னிங் இட் ஆஃப்? ஏன் ஆஃப் பண்ணி வைக்கிறீங்க வீடியோவை? எவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கு பாக்குறதுக்கு. ஐ எம் ஃபீலிங் வெரி ஹாப்பி தட் ஐ ஃபீல் லைக் டேக்கிங் கிளாஸ் இன் ஸ்கூல். ஓகே, அதர்வைஸ் ஐ ஹாவ் டு லுக் அட் மை போன் அண்ட் டாக். ஏதோ பைத்திய மாதிரி பிளா 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 நானே கத்திட்டு இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீலிங். ஓகே ஓகே girls, other girls also, please turn it off, turn it on. If you don't wear uniform, that's okay, no problem, but turn it on. Rajashri, come on quick. Kavita, Sanjana. Oh, Wednesday uniform le vandirukeenga. Very happy girls, very happy. Very good. Dhanalakshmi, turn your video on. Tanusha, Mirdula, I won't be calling out particularly, I mean one by one. This is for everybody. You should turn your video on and sit in that online class. It is the government rule. Tanusha, Kanishka, Tanusha, Dhanalakshmi. If you don't turn it on, I won't give you attendance today. Mirdula, illa.
Happening laptop, ma'am. There is no camera in laptop.
Okay, yes, Kavya. See, you are supposed to get ready and attend the online class, no? இப்பதான் எல்லாம் நான் கூப்பிடும் போதுதான் போய் தலையை சீவிக்கிட்டு முகத்தை கழுவிட்டு வரீங்களோ? Am I right? I know. See, I am getting ready at least ஒரு 10 minutes before ஆது நான் ரெடி ஆயிட்டு நான் ஃப்ரெஷ் ஆயிட்டு வரேன் நானு. At least you people who don't have that sincerity to see, you can wear any dress, but you should look neat. That's what is important, right? எந்த ட்ரெஸ் வேணா போடலாம், நம்ம ஆனா நீட்டா இருக்கணும் பாக்குறதுக்கு, ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா. நல்லா தூங்கி எந்திரிச்சு நேரா வந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணலாமா? தேஜல், அருள்மொழி, அருள்மொழி ஓகே. தேஜல், ஓகே okay, very good, very good. Few girls are wearing uniform. I'm very happy about that. Please don't change yourself. மத்தவங்க போட்டு வரல, நான் மட்டும் ஏன் போட்டு வரணும் தயவு செஞ்சு நினைக்காதீங்க. போட்டுட்டு இருக்கிறவங்க, it is your duty that whether others wear it or not, if you have your uniform, please attend with uniform. Okay girls, whoever
Okay,
is
ma'am.
attending the class with uniform, please do the same always. மத்தவங்கள பார்த்து நீங்களும் ஐயோ அவங்க போடல நான் ஏன் போடணும்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. I appreciate you all. Very good. Okay. Yeah, Kavya, start.
Aditya were going to native place, and then
From
there
where
was
is he going? From where is he going?
Kolkata. From Kolkata.
Okay. Especially the name of the place is given, not Kolkata. Another name is given.
Deodorant.
Deodorganj. Okay.
He going
Go
to
ahead.
one assistant house. There were zamindars.
Who were zamindars?
Ancestors.
Okay.
After that, he went to his own school, old school, and then he went tea shop, Nagan tea shop, and then there was son and uncle was sitting. He went to his house. That's all.
Okay. So very simple. Can anybody else narrate and elaborately யாராவது சொல்ல முடியுமா? Can anyone else? I want anybody to volunteer yourself. Anyone? Why, girls, you are hesitating? You know the story, right? It's like recalling, no? Others also, those who didn't attend the class previously will also come to know the story if you narrate it. I am ready to do that actually, but I want to know whether you know it or not, you remember it or not. Yeah, come on, any one of you. Let me call out, otherwise let me call out particular. Shall I? Yaradhu kupudva particular.
Yes,
Kirtika is ready for everything, but she is not volunteering. Ah? Okay, whom shall I call? Arulmozhi. I want Arulmozhi to narrate it. Arulmozhi.
ma'am.
Tejan, why did you turn your video off? Yeah, start Arulmozhi.
Aditya went to his ancestral village after 29 years.
Very good. This is what very important.
Then
Other
they
girls, please
visited,
listen to her.
then they visited to Nagan uncle's tea shop.
Okay. Enough. Let me do it. Okay. So Aditya and our narrator. So this point you left. No, narrator is main character in the story. He is only narrating the story for us. So Aditya as well as our narrator are both are going to Aditya's native place. Okay, which is named Brahmapur. Brahmapur அப்படிங்கிற அந்த வில்லேஜ்க்கு போறாங்க. From where they are going means Dyodarganj அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ஊர்ல இருந்து actually they have set their new business there only. Okay, so அவங்களோட new business அந்த இடத்துல தான் செட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So after visiting the company, they were just on their way to Calcutta. அப்ப வந்துட்டு NH40 travel பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. They are stopping at a point where the road was bifurcated னு சொல்லி ஒரு word சொல்லிருப்பேன். Where the road was split into two. Okay, so they have to take left and go 10 more kilometers to reach Brahmapur. Okay, so they are going and first they are visiting Aditya school building, which was actually he left the school before 29 years to do his higher studies in Calcutta. After finishing his matriculation school, he left the village. Okay, so he is just going and visiting the school again. There were some changes in the building. Okay, so when Aditya was studying in the school, it was only one-story building. Now it has two-story. Okay, and after visiting the school, he is moving to Nagan uncle's tea shop. For what purpose he went there? He wanted to do that, so that he's going there. Okay, and there they are asking for 2 teas and they are also asking for Nankatai biscuits, some Nankatai biscuits. Okay, so Nagan uncle's look kuda anga sollirpaanga. How was he looking? He was a neat and clean looked man. Okay, and he was also wearing dhoti, blue striped shirt, and over that he was wearing a green color shawl. Okay, so his shirt could be seen from under the shawl. This was the description given for Nagan uncle, and his tea shop was next to a grocery shop and opposite to a temple dedicated for Lord Shiva. Okay, so this was told about Nagan uncle's tea shop. So after they went there, only one other customer was sitting there except them. Okay, so Nagan uncle introduced the person as Mr. Sanyal, who couldn't see well as hear well. Okay, And he is also reminding him to go home by telling that it is already 4 p.m. So customers have started coming, so you have to go home. So இந்த மாதிரி ரிமைண்ட் பண்ணி அனுப்புறாரு. அண்ட் அப்ப என்ன பண்றாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். இது வரைக்கும் தானே நம்ம பார்த்தோம். Till this only we finished, right? Right, girls?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Next, see, I have the screen shot with me. Let me show you that. ஆனா அதுல வந்து அந்த பேஜ்ல வந்து ஒரே ஒரு paragraph மட்டும் இருக்காது, which I am going to read now. So please adjust with that. Let me show you now. So I want all the girls to turn your video on and listen to the class. Also, now the strength is 50. I want all of you to stay here in the meeting till the end of this class. Okay. Okay, so the paragraph which I am going to read, it is not here in this page, okay, which I have shown you. அதுக்கப்புறம் வரதுல இருந்து இதுல இருக்கும். Okay, let me read from his reaction. Actually, he is telling that, Nagan uncle is telling that he is a person who's having difficulties in hearing as well as seeing. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. And he doesn't have much money to buy spectacles also. So this was the information given by Nagan uncle about Sanyal. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன நடக்குதுங்கிறத நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். From his reaction to this speech, I began to wonder whether Mr. Sanyal was not a little crazy as well, because suddenly he stood up, stretched himself, and raising his lean right arm, and with eyes dilated, began to recite a poem by Tagore, Pandraksha, keeping of a promise. Having recited the poem, he left the place, making the gesture of namaste with his hands to nobody in particular. So from his reaction to the speech, so he gave all these introduction, right, about Sanyal. நாகன் அங்கிள் சொன்னார் இல்லையா. சோ இதெல்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு அவரோட ரியாக்ஷன் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம்னா, அதாவது சன்யாலோட ரியாக்ஷன் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம்னா, இட் சீம்ஸ் லைக் கிரேசி ஃபார் ஆதித்யா அண்ட் சத்யஜித் ரே. இவங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி என்ன கிரேசி, கிறுக்கு பிடிச்ச மனுஷனா அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி அந்த ஃபீலிங் கொடுக்குது அவரோட ரியாக்ஷன். ஏன்னா ஆல் ஆஃப் அ சடன் ஹி ஸ்டூட் அப், ஸ்ட்ரெச்ட் ஹிம்செல்ஃப் அண்ட் ரைசிங் இஸ் லீன் ரைட் ஆர்ம். அப்படி நின்னுட்டு அவரோட ரைட் ஆர்ம் எடுத்து தூக்கி வச்சுக்கிறாரு. தூக்கிட்டு and with eyes dilated, அப்படியே கண்ணை விரிச்சு வச்சுக்கிட்டு, began to recite a poem by Tagore. He started singing a poem by Tagore. 1 minute. Okay. He started singing a poem by Tagore. Okay, so the name of the poem is Pandraksha. Don't forget this name. Panraksha. Pandraksha. Meaning keeping of a promise. ஒரு promise எப்படி காப்பாத்தணும் அப்படிங்கிறது. Okay. So அந்த பாட்டு பாடுறாரு. Having recited the poem, he left the place. After finishing, yeah, ma.
Ma'am, I didn't say the name, ma'am.
Pandraksha. Panraksha. Pandraksha. Written by Tagore. Okay. Meaning is keeping of a promise. How to keep promise அப்படிங்கிறது தான். Okay. So after he finished singing, no, he just left the place by giving namaste to others. Okay, not in particular to someone. Okay, so particular யாருக்கும் சொல்லல, ஜெனரலா கையை கூப்பி வணக்கம் சொல்லிட்டு அங்க இருந்து கிளம்பிடுறாரு சன்யால். Okay, so இப்ப வந்து இந்த பேஜ்ல இருந்து நான் படிக்க போறேன். Listen to me. I noticed a sudden change in Aditya's expression and I asked him the reason for it. Without answering me, he asked Nagan uncle who the gentleman was and what he did. Can you all see the page? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I noticed the author could see a sudden change in Aditya's face reaction. Okay, and he's asking what is the reason for it, but Aditya did not answer for the question. So ignoring the question, he's just asking Nagan uncle about the person who sang the song there. Okay, then Nagan uncle replied Sasanka Sanyal. So again he's telling his name. He's only Sasanka Sanyal. What can be done? Sorry. What can be done? He leads a cursed life, gone crazy, I think, but has not forgotten any incident of the past. Sold his lands to get his only daughter married. He lost his wife and only son last year. Since then, he is somewhat changed, not really normal. Where does he stay? He is asking. Okay. So next in Sasanka Sanyal Pati. So far, whatever information we know is he is unable to hear and see well, and he is not rich to buy even spectacles. So now he is telling all the details about Sanyal. Enna solrana? He leads a cursed life. Cursed ஒரு சாபமான வாழ்க்கை மாதிரி அவருக்கு ஆயிடுச்சு and gone crazy, ஒரு மாதிரி கிறுக்கு பிடிச்ச மாதிரி ஆயிட்டாரு. And but has not forgotten any incident of the past. So it means that many bad incident has taken place in his life, so that this man has turned like this. அப்படிங்கறத நமக்கு தெரிய வருது. Okay, so one of it was sold his land to get his only daughter married. So அவரோட நிலம் வச்சிருந்தாரு, அதையும் வித்து அவரோட பொண்ணுக்கு கல்யாணம் பண்ணிடுறாரு. And he lost his wife and only son last year. So இது பெரிய பெரிய இழப்பு இல்லையா லைஃப்ல. சோ அவரோட ஒய்ஃபையும் அவரோட சன்னையும் ஒரே ஒரு பையனையும் லாஸ்ட் இயர் இழந்துடுறாரு. Since then he is somewhat changed. So from that incident, the whole life of him has been changed, and he is not normal now. He is not a normal person now. Where does he stay? Aditya is asking. He stays with a friend of his father's, Jokesh Kabiraj. So he is staying with one of the friends of his father. Name is Jokesh Kabiraj. அவரோட வீட்ல அவரோட அப்பாவோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் வீட்டு தான் தங்கிட்டு இருக்காரு, and his name is Jokesh Kabiraj. Sasanka comes here, has tea and biscuits, and always remembers to pay, having an acute sense of self-respect. But how long things will remain like this, I don't know. So it is his routine. Sasanka Sanyaloda routine. Ennan pathina, he usually daily every day used to come here. He'll have a tea and biscuits, and he will never forget to pay for that. He is having acute sense of self-respect. So அவருக்குன்னு ஒரு அந்த கடன் வைக்கிறது, காசு கொடுக்காம ஏமாத்துறது, தன்னோட ஏழ்மைய யூஸ் பண்ணி டீ குடிச்சுக்கிறது, அப்படிலாம் எதுவுமே கிடையாது. அவருக்குன்னு ஒரு செல்ஃப் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இருக்கு. சோ அதை காப்பாத்திக்கிற மாதிரி எவ்ரிடே யூஸ் டு கம் ஹியர், ஹேஸ் அ டீ அண்ட் ஹேவ் சம் பிஸ்கெட்ஸ், அண்ட் ஹி வில் நெவர் ஃபெயில் டு பே ஃபார் இட். ஓகே, அதுதான் சொல்றான். ஓகே, பட் I don't know how long these things will remain the same. Okay, அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. Having paid our bill and ascertained the location of Jokesh Kabiraj's house, we got into the car. Aditya was at the wheel. He expressed the wish to visit his house. So, you do want to see your house after all, I said. So, there is hurry burry in Aditya's movements. Okay, so என்னன்னா he could come to know something. Okay, ஏதோ அவருக்கு தெரிய வந்துருச்சு. So he could see a different Aditya from this incident. Okay, so having paid, அவங்க bill pay பண்ணிட்டு the ascertained na confirmed location of Jokesh Kabiraj house. So அவரோட வீட்டை தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு we got into the car and Aditya was at the wheel. Wheel means he was only driving in a very fast way. He expressed his wish to visit his house. Actually, in the beginning, no, his intention was to visit the native place, not to visit the house of the ancestral house. He wanted to drink tea from Nagan uncle's tea shop. That was his motive to visit the native place, Brahmapur. Okay, but now he really has an intention to see the house. So Arthur is asking, at last you decided to see the house. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றார். Okay. Okay, so it has become essential to do so, Aditya replied. He never seemed overwrought. Sorry, his nerves seemed overwrought. So Aditya is telling it has become essential to do so. இப்ப வந்து அது essential, முக்கியமா இருக்கு. Actually, நான் one minute. Bhishwar. So it has become essential now. இப்ப ரொம்ப அது முக்கியமா ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. His nerves seemed overwrought. Overwrought means tensed ஆ இருக்கிறது. Okay, state of being upset. ஒரு மாதிரி சோகமா, ஒரு ஏதோ ஒரு பரபரப்பா இருக்கிற மாதிரி. Okay, then His nerves seemed overwrought for some reason. We soon reached the house, which was surrounded by high walls. Even from the ruins, one could easily imagine how grand it must have been once upon a time. So we soon reached the house. So they're reaching the house, and by the look of the house, he comes to know that how grand it would have been once upon a time. அப்படிங்கறத வந்து சத்யஜித் ரேயால imagine பண்ண முடியும். Which was surrounded by high walls. The house was surrounded by high walls, and அந்த ruinsனா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், இடிபாடுகள், வேஸ்ட் திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அதுதான் ruins அப்படிங்கிறது. One could easily imagine how grand it must have been. அது ஒரு நாள்ல எவ்வளவு கிராண்டா இருந்திருக்கும் அந்த ஹவுஸ் அப்படிங்கறது அங்க இடிஞ்சு விழுந்திருக்க எல்லாத்தையும் வச்சு பார்க்கும்போது தெரியும். We entered the building, climbed up the stairs and reached the attic on the second floor of the house. So they are just going to the attic directly, which is in the second floor of the house. This was my favorite room, said Aditya. The attic has always been a favorite with children. It is in the attic that the child seems to be in a world of its own. So he's just describing about the attic. Only because of this, the lesson is named as attic. Okay, so attic plays very important role in this story. And the வீட்ல இருக்க அந்த attic ரொம்ப important role இருக்கு. அதனால தான் இது லெசனுக்கு atticனு பேர் வச்சாங்க. Okay, so he's just telling about the attic now. This was my favorite room. The attic has always been a favorite with children. So all the children, when I was young, all the children in the surrounding, they used to play in this attic only. It is in the attic that the child seems to be in a world of its own. So குழந்தை இங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு குழந்தை விளையாடுச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு அதனோட சொந்த உலகமாவே தெரியும் இந்த attic அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றாங்க. A portion of a wall of the attic had crumbled down, and through the window that had been created, we could see the sky, the fields, a part of the rice mill, the spire of the old temple. So he described about the attic. Yeah, so அந்த attic தான் சில்ட்ரனுக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் ஃபேவரட் பிளேஸ். அங்க இருக்கும்போது அவங்களே மறந்து அவங்களோட உலகத்துல இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஃபீல் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காரு. ஆஃப்டர் தட் ஆதித்யா இஸ் டெல்லிங், சாரி, ஆர் நரேட்டர் இஸ் டெல்லிங், அந்த attic-ஓட போர்ஷன், ஒன் ஆஃப் தி போர்ஷன் ஆஃப் தி வால் இஸ் கிரம்பிள்டுனா உடஞ்சி அந்த இடத்துல ஓட்டை போட்டிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அர்த்தம். broken. ஓகே, உடஞ்சி அந்த இடத்துல ஓட்டை, ஒரு பெரிய ஹோல் மாதிரி கிரியேட் ஆயிருக்கு. And from that hole, அதுதான் அங்க விண்டோன்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And through the windowனா which is made naturally. Okay, நம்ம விண்டோ வைப்போமே அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது, அதுவா இடிஞ்சு விழுந்த அந்த விண்டோ மூலியமா one could see a part of sky தெரியுது, the fields, அந்த பின்னாடி பக்கம் இருக்க அந்த வயல்வெளி தெரியுது, a part of the rice mill they could see, the spire of the old temple, ஒரு old templeோட கோபுரம், இது எல்லாமே வந்து அந்த ஹோல் வழியா தெரியுது அவங்க from the attic. Then, in the whole house, the attic had probably been the worst hit by wind and weather. So, compared to the other parts of the house, the attic is only very much damaged by the wind and weather. So, weather in the wind, weather-nala vandu romba damage irukka place nu paatha and veetliye attic da. And the floor was strewn with twigs and straw and pigeon droppings. So, the floor is filled with the twigs and ஸ்ட்ரானா உங்களுக்கு தெரியல, காஞ்சி போன இலைங்க, தழைங்க, ட்விக்ஸ், கரைக்க ஒரு மரத்தோட ட்விக்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் காஞ்சி போய் அங்க ஃபில் பண்ணிருக்கு. And also pigeon droppings also they could see there. It means that pigeons are used to come and go there. Among other things, there was a broken cricket bat, the remains of an armchair, and a wooden packing case. So in between all these things, they could also see what? A cricket bat, broken cricket bat, the remains of an armchair, or armchair oda few parts, and a wooden packing case, or wooden pack பண்ற ஒரு suitcase மாதிரி. இதெல்லாம் அவங்க அங்க பாக்குறாங்க. Then Aditya got on the top of packing case and pushed his hand inside the ventilator, thus upsetting his parrot's nest, a part of which fell to the ground. So Aditya, actually our narrator couldn't judge what is happening. Okay, but he knows something has happened and he's trying to rectifying it. Okay, so ஏதோ நடந்திருக்கு, அதை இப்ப சரி பண்றதுக்கு ஆதித்யா ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு அப்படிங்கறத மட்டும் நம்மளோட நரேட்டர் கெஸ் பண்றாரு. ஓகேவா? சோ என்ன நடக்குதுன்னா, ஆதித்யா got up on the packing case, அந்த packing case மேல ஏறிட்டு he just pushed his hand into the ventilator. Okay, so ventilator உள்ள கையை விடுறாரு, and அந்த வென்டிலேட்டருக்குள்ள ஸ்பாரோஸ் மேட் நெஸ்ட் தேர். ஓகே, சோ அதை அப்செட் பண்ணிட்டு அதை பிரேக் பண்ணிட்டு அவர் கையை விட்டுட்டு உள்ள போறாரு. A part of which fell to the ground. So அவர் கையை விடும்போது அதனோட ஒரு பார்ட் வந்து பிரேக் ஆகி அந்த நெஸ்டோட ஒரு பார்ட் பிரேக் ஆகி கீழே விழுந்தது. ஓகே, and however he heaved a sigh of relief when he had got what he had been looking for. So now only he could see some relaxation on the face of Aditya, because what he was coming there, what was he searching there, he could get it now. Okay, என்ன பர்பஸ்க்காக வந்தாரோ, என்ன தேடிட்டு இருந்தாரோ அந்த இடத்துல அது கிடைச்சிருச்சு. நவ் our narrator could see a sigh of relief. ஒரு ரிலீஃப் ஆனதுக்கான ஒரு சிம்டம் அவரோட ஃபேஸ்ல தெரியுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றாரு. ஓகே, when I asked him what it was, I'm sorry. When I asked him what it was, he said, "You will get to know very soon." So he's telling that when I asked him, "Enna idu?" அப்படினு சொல்லி கேக்குறப்போ, "You will come to know everything very soon. Wait till then." அப்படினு சொல்லி சொல்லிட்டாரு. We next went to a dweller's to find out the weight of the article. So he could get something from the ventilator, right, when he pushed his arm inside. So from the house to, they are going directly to a jeweler shop. Okay, or a jewelry shop ku poranga to know the weight of the article. or article or metal மாதிரி ஒரு மெடல் அவருக்கு கிடைக்குது. So அது எடுத்துட்டு he is directly going to a jeweler shop to know the weight of it. Okay, the jeweler remarked that it was an antique. Antique means an old thing. Okay, ரொம்ப பழமையான ஒரு விஷயம், அதுதான் ஆன்டிக்னு சொல்லி ஓகே, சோ அது ஒரு மெடல். Our next stop was the house of Jokesh Kabiraj. Though I was a little curious, I didn't ask Aditya anything. So our narrator is very much curious to know what is happening around him, but he did not ask anything about it to Aditya. Okay, then so they are just moving from the jeweler shop. They are just moving to Jokesh Kabiraj house where Sanyal is staying now. Okay, we entered the house and went to the room where Sasanka Sanyal stayed. Sasanka uncle was busy reciting verses from Tagore. When he had finished, Aditya asked, "May we come in?" He turned and faced us. So they're just entering the house, and at that time Sasanka was sitting and singing another poem of Tagore, and they are, after he finished it, so till he finishes it, they are waiting there. After he finished it, they are asking whether they can come inside, and Sasanka turned பண்ணி அவங்கள ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்கறார். "No one visits me," he said in an unperturbed manner. So usually nobody comes to visit me அப்படிங்கிற இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லாத மாதிரி, undisturbed. யாரும் வந்து டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, என்னை யாரும் விசிட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, I will not have visitors usually அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்றாரு அவர். in an not interested way. "Would you mind if we come in?" Aditya is asking. "Come in," Sanyal is telling. Except for a chorpoy, there was nothing else to sit on. So we remained standing. So only there was a chorpoy. Chorpoy is nothing but the கயிறு கட்டில்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவாங்க, ஊர் சைடுல எல்லாம் நீங்க பாத்திருப்பீங்க. ஓகே, கயிறு கட்டில் அது மட்டும் தான் அங்க இருந்தது. And Sasanka Sanyal was sitting on it, so that they both stood. They did not sit. "You remember Aditya Narayan Chaudhary?" Aditya asked. "Of course," said the gentleman. "The spoiled child of affluent parents, was a fairly good student, but could never beat me. He was extremely jealous of me, and he used to tell lies." So Aditya is telling, he is not introducing him as Aditya first of all to Sanyal. Okay, so yaro another person மாதிரி பேசிட்டு இருக்கான் Aditya. Okay, so do you know Aditya Chaudhary அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, Aditya Narayan Chaudhary அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, "Yes, I remember well, and he is the spoiled child of affluent parent." affluentனா rich, wealthy. Okay, நல்ல வெல்தியா இருக்கிற ஒரு ரிச்சா இருக்கிற ஒரு பேரண்டோட ஸ்பாயில்ட் சைல்டு, வீணா போன ஒரு குழந்தை அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. "Was a fairly good student." Okay, he was fairly good, but couldn't beat me. I was only scoring the first place. He was always second அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. "He was extremely jealous of me, and he used to tell lies." "I know," said Aditya. I know everything அப்படின்னு சொல்லி Aditya சொல்றாரு. He then took out a packet from his pocket and handing it over to him, said, "This is for you from Aditya." So he was having the antique in his pocket, right? So he's just taking a packet from his pocket and handing it over to Sanyal and telling that this is from ஆதித்யா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. இது உங்களுக்கு ஆதித்யா கிட்ட இருந்து கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு. What is it? He asked. Money. Money? How much money? அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சன்யால் கேட்கிறார். மணியா? எவ்வளவு மணி அப்படின்னு சொல்லி 150 rupees. He has said that he will be happy if you accept it. So I have brought 150 rupees from Aditya. So if you get it, Aditya will definitely feel happy for it. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. Shall I laugh or cry? Sanyal is asking. இதுக்கு நான் சிரிக்கிறதா அழுவறதா? Aditya has given me money. Why the sudden generosity? ஆதித்யா எனக்கு மணி கொடுத்திருக்கான், எதுக்கு திடீர்னு இந்த ஒரு நல்ல பண்பு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்கிறேன். ஓகே, man does change with time. Perhaps Aditya is not the same Aditya as before. Man does change with time. எப்போ மனுஷங்க டைம் மாறும்போது மனுஷங்களும் மாறிடுவாங்க. யாருக்கு தெரியும், ஒருவேளை ஆதித்யா கூட மாறி இருக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றாரு. A change. I got the prize. He could not bear it. He took it from me to show his father and never returned it to me. Said that there was a hole in his pocket and it had fallen through it. So, a change. Oh, do you say that Aditya has changed by time? His nature has been changed. So, he was a jealous person when he was young. Okay, jealous. அப்படியே ரொம்ப போராம, மத்தவங்களோட வளர்ச்சி பிடிக்காதவன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றாரு. ஓ, இப்ப நீங்க ஆதித்யா சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கலாம்னு சொல்லி சொல்றீங்களா? Actually, you know what happened? I got the prize. Okay, and the medal வந்து எனக்கு கிடைச்சது. He could not bear it. He could not tolerate that I got the prize and he took it from me, telling that I'm going to show my parents. But he never returned it. அவன் கொடுக்கவே இல்ல. And he told me that he had a hole in his pocket and it had fallen from it. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லி. Okay, this is the price of the medal. It is yours. So ஆதித்யா சொல்றான், இது வந்து அந்த மெடலுக்கான பிரைஸ் தான், இது உங்களை தான் சேரணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றான். Sasanka Sanyal was amazed. He stared at Aditya and said, "The price of the medal? That could not be more." Who's that? That could not be more than 5 rupees. It was a silver medal. So again, Sanyal is asking, "Oh, the price of the medal? See, don't be worth enough for 5 rupees. ஒரு 5 ரூபாய் தான் வரும் அந்த மெடல். It is just a silver medal." அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றாரு. ஆதித்யாவை பார்த்து முறைச்சிட்டு, சில்வர் இஸ் now 30 times costlier than before. நமக்கு தெரியாதா, சில்வர் வந்து இப்ப 30 times காஸ்ட்லியர் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்ப இருந்ததை விட. சோ அப்ப அது 5 rupees worth, இப்ப அது 30 times காஸ்ட்லியர் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. Really? I had no news of that. அப்படியா, எனக்கு அதை பத்தி பட் அப்படின்னு ஏதோ சொல்ல ட்ரை பண்றாரு. Sasanka uncle looked at the 15 10 rupee notes in his hand and then looked at Aditya. There was a completely new expression on his face. He said, "Aditya, this smacks too much of charity, doesn't it?" So now we come to know that he has recognized Aditya as Aditya when he came to the tea shop itself. Okay, so tea shop லயே ஆதித்யாவா ஆதித்யான்னு சொல்லி தெரிஞ்சிச்சு சசாங்கா சன்யாலுக்கு. ஆதித்யாவுக்கு மட்டும்தான் அது சசாங்கான்றது தெரியல. ஓகே, so that he is just telling with a new expression in his face. Okay, Sasanka uncle looked at the 15 10 rupees note. So he was ready to give 15 10 rupees note, which means 150 rupees notes to Sasanka Sanyal. So by looking at that, he's telling that he was complete new expression. He had புதுசா ஒரு மாதிரி relaxed ஆன வேலை. Okay, he said, "Aditya, this smacks too much of charity." இது ரொம்ப நன்கொடை ஜாஸ்தி இல்லையா அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி, நீ எனக்கு நன்கொடையா கொடுக்குறியா, சாரிட்டியா கொடுக்குறியா, இது ரொம்ப டூ மச் இல்லையா அப்படின்ற சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. அப்படித்தானே அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. We remained silent, peering intently at Aditya. Sasanka Sanyal smiled and said. So ரெண்டு பேரும் அப்படியே அமைதியா ஷாக் ஆயிடுறாங்க. peering intently at Aditya. Sasanka ஒரு மாதிரி ரொம்ப ஒரு ஒரு மனசுக்குள்ள ஒரு வன்புணர்ச்சின்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கோவத்துல, ஓகே, ஒரு வெறுப்புல சொல்றாரு Sasanka Sanyal. "I had recognized you at Nagan Uncle's tea shop by that mole on your right cheek." So I came to know that it's you when I saw you in the tea shop itself by seeing the mole on your face அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. Okay, I could see you had not recognized. ஆனா என்ன உனக்கு அடையாளம் தெரியலன்னு எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சுச்சு. So I recited the same poem that I had recited on the prize giving day on purpose so that you may remember. So he's telling that, but you did not recognize me. Okay, so that is why I wanted to make you remember me. That is why I sang the poem which I sang on the prize winning day of this medal. So இந்த மெடல் வாங்கின அன்னைக்கு நான் என்ன பாட்டு பாடணும்னோ அந்த பாட்டையே உனக்கு நான் பாடி காமிச்சேன். நீ ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும் என்ன அப்படின்றதுக்காக அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. Then when you came to visit me, I couldn't help venting my anger on you. அப்புறம் நீ என்ன பார்க்க வந்தப்ப என்னால உன் மேல இருக்க கோவத்தை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. You have done the right thing. Your grievances are absolutely justified. But I'll be happy if you accept the money, said Aditya. See, your sorrow, your sadness is very correct. Okay, I accept everything you told about me. I do not deny it. But it is justified, but I'll be happy if you accept the money now. Okay. Why, see, though he has the medal, why is he offering the money? அவர்கிட்ட மெடல் இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் எதுக்காக அவர் மணி ஆஃபர் பண்றாரு? பிகாஸ் சசங்கா இஸ் லீடிங் அ புவர் லைஃப் நவ். சோ திஸ் மணி குட் ஹெல்ப் ஹிம் இன் எனி வே. ஓகே, அதனாலதான் ஸ்பெக்டிகல்ஸ் வாங்குறது கூட மணி இல்லைன்னு சொல்லி இவர் சொல்றாரு இல்லையா, நாகன் அங்கிள். அதனாலதான் ஹி இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் ஆஃபரிங் சம் மணி இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் த மெடல். ஓகே, சோ சசாங்கா சன்யா shook his head and said, no, money will soon be spent. I would have preferred to have the medal if it were possible. I would have forgotten that unpleasant incident of my childhood if I could get the medal back. So what is he telling? He's just refusing to accept the money. Okay, so I would prefer to have my medal only instead of this money because money would be spent very soon. So moneyங்கிறது செலவாயிடும், ஆனா என்னோட மெடல் எனக்கு கிடைச்சிருந்ததுன்னா நான் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்பட்டிருப்பேன் இதுக்கு பதிலா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றாரு. So the medal that had been hidden in the attic for 29 long years was eventually restored to its owner. Now, so the medal which was lost by Sasanka Sanyal before 29 years is reaching its owner now. Is reaching its owner now. Okay. So in that, Sriman Sasanka Sanyal special prize for recitation 1948 was still clearly engraved on it. So on the medal enna எழுதிருந்ததுன்னா Sriman Sasanka Sanyal special prize for recitation in the year 1948. Okay. So translated from the Bengali story Child Kotha அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ஸ்டோரியில இருந்து டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ண ஒரு ஸ்டோரி தான் நம்மளோட இந்த attic story. That's all. This lesson is over. Okay. Now it is question and answer session. Ready? See, I already sent you answers for all the questions, synonyms, antonyms. By this time, you would have completed everything, I think. So I'll be ready to answer all the questions, whatever I ask. Am I right?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Was Sanyal happy about his visitors? Was he feeling very happy when Aditya and Satyajit Ray entered the house? Girija.
No.
Girija, answer. Girija, turn your video on. I told you don't turn it off.
Yes, ma'am.
Video on பண்ணுமா? Tell me. பரவாயில்ல, ஆன் பண்ணு. அழகாதான் இருக்கேன். No problem. Girija, you
Yes, ma'am.
look nice. Turn it on. Okay, tell me, was Sanyal happy about the visitors? Sanyal அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு ஆதித்யாவும் நம்மளோட நரேட்டரும் வீட்டுக்கு போனப்ப Sanyal ஹாப்பியா ஃபீல் பண்ணாரா? வாங்க வாங்க உட்காருங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னாரா? Instead, he showed his grievances. He expressed his grievances. Okay, ஒரு மாதிரி ரொம்ப பேடா தான் பிஹேவ் பண்றாரு at first when they entered. Yeah, okay. Okay, next question is to Vidya. Vidya, in what way was Mr. Sanya's behavior strange in the tea shop? In what way Mr. Sanya's behavior was strange? எந்த விதத்துல ஒரு மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சான பிஹேவ் பண்ணாரு அவரு அந்த டீ ஷாப்ல? Why was it looking strange for others? Do you understand the question? What did he do as in the tea shop? Don't you know? It's okay if you don't know, no problem. No problem. Okay. Janani,
Ma'am,
turn your video on, but Vidya, video on panna. Janani, can you say answer for this question?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. In what
He
way
sang
his behavior was strange in the tea shop?
He sang a poem, ma'am.
What? Very good. He sang a poem. Okay, all of a sudden. See, நீங்க இப்போ ஒரு பிளேஸ்க்கு போறீங்க, ஓகேவா? ஒரு பஸ் ஸ்டாப் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள். அந்த இடத்துல ஒருத்தவங்க உட்கார்ந்துருக்காங்க. திடீர்னு நம்மள பார்த்து எந்திரிச்சு அப்படியே கையை நீட்டிட்டு ஒரு பாட்டு பாட ஆரம்பிச்சிடுறாங்க. It will be strange for us. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
அந்த மாதிரி தான் அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கு. Okay. So he was sitting so far. All of a sudden he stood up and started singing a song. Okay. அதனால அவங்களுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சா இருக்கு. Very good. Okay, what was the routine of Sanyal? Whom shall I ask? Trisha. Video on. Come on, make it fast.
Tell me the question again, ma'am.
Video on panna first. I want to see you, no. Only then I can ask you question.
I on, ma'am.
Are you see? Huh?
No, ma'am. Video on la da ma'am irukku.
But I can't see you. Okay, it's okay. There may be some network issues. Okay. What was the routine of Sanyal? I told you, no. He used to do a thing every day.
He went to tea shop.
Very good.
He will not forget to give money.
Very good. So he used to go to the tea shop every day, have a cup of tea and some biscuits, but he will never forget to pay money for the tea. He has his own self-respect. Okay. Very good, Trisha. Next. And Shifra.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is a favorite place of children in the whole house? Which is the favorite place of children in the whole house compared to the other parts of the house? Which place is considered as the happiest place for the children? I told you.
Yes.
For this reason only, the lesson is named as the attic. No solliyon sonna na. I told the answer. The attic. Okay. Mohana. How much rupees did he offer instead of the medal? For the medal, how much rupees did he offer? Did Aditya offer? Can you hear me, Mohana? Mohana? 150. 150 rupees. 150. Can you hear me? Put yourself in mute mode. Mute mode. Okay. Then Swarnaja. What was engraved on the medal? What was engraved on the medal? என்ன எழுதிருந்துச்சு அந்த மெடல்ல?
Sanyal's name, ma'am, and 1948.
Yes. Okay. Sriman Sasanka Sanyal. His full name is Sriman Sasanka Sanyal. Special prize for recitation, 1940. So this is another 2-mark question. You should remember all these things. Okay. Okay. Any other doubts, girls?
No, ma'am.
எதுவுமே இல்லையா? Okay, why did Aditya and his friend go to the jeweler's shop? Irfana, can you answer this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did they go? Why did they go to jeweler's shop?
Weight of the article.
To know the weight of the article. Very good. To know the weight of the article, they went to jeweler's shop. Okay. Kavya. Kavya. G Kavya, I think. Can you hear me, Kavya? Okay. What is the condition of the attic? How was it looking? I can't hear your voice. I think you have some problem issues. Okay, leave it. Sanjana, can you tell answer for this question? What was the condition of the attic? Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the condition of the attic? You forgot it? Okay, Kirtika, tell me.
Ma'am,
What was the condition of the attic?
it was badly hidden by weather and wind. It was full of with pigeon droppings, straws, and twigs.
Very good, very good, very good. Super. Next question. Okay. So there was a hole on the part of the attic wall, right? So from that they could see few things. What are the things they could see? I want Tejal to answer this question. Tejal. What are the things they could see from the hole created in the wall of the attic?
They can see a new world.
I told you. Who can answer this question? Who knows answer?
Ma'am.
Janani sol.
Sky fields, part of rice mill, temple, old temple.
Sphere of old temple, part of sky and part of rice mill, fields. இதெல்லாம் அவங்க பார்க்க முடியும். Very good, Janani. Okay, what does mean by affluent? Yuvedika.
Ma'am.
Turn your video on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvedika.
Yes, ma'am.
What does mean by affluent?
Wealthy.
Wealthy. Very good, very good. Rajavarshini. Video on. The background is so nice. Mute பண்ணடு. Okay, girls, do you have any other doubts
No, ma'am.
regarding this lesson? No doubts.
No, ma'am.
So we have only paragraph is pending in this lesson. So I'll be sending it on Friday. Okay, Friday
Okay,
homework
ma'am.
கொடுத்துட்டேன். After that, we have to see another memory poem இருக்கு. 6th unit poem. We'll be continuing that only after finishing this lesson. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நம்ம வந்து again we'll start 4th unit poem. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now because we're going to wind up the class. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you prepare well for the examination. So you'll be having all together 2 units completely and 2 units completely. First unit and third unit completely. 4th unit course will have and 5th unit memory poem I'll be sending it soon. So இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்தா உங்களுக்கு exam next exam போறோம். So prepare yourself well for this. You can leave now. Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can you tell again exam date, ma'am?
From 19th, ma. It starts from 19th.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye. Leave the meeting, girls. I have to end it. Girija, Rajeshwari, Sarala. Sarala and Rajeshwari, leave the meeting. Sarala and Rajeshwari, are you here?